Marina, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I have a latest in beauty unboxing and it is my September box. So if you're new here, hi. The way I usually do these unboxings is I give a little bit of information about latest in beauty, then I go through my last month's picks and tell you what I thought of them, and then I go into the unboxing itself. I do chapters on the play bar, so you just click the play bar and it will show you all the chapters. However, this time I don't know what else to add. I feel like I'm repeating myself a lot when I tell you about latest in beauty. So I think I'm going to skip. I am going to put some information in the description box, which is below this video. So I'm going to go straight into August picks. I'll tell you what I thought of them. Okay, so last month I forgot to take pictures of my box, so as I talk about them I will put the picture of the product on the screen. I will start with what was the member reward last month, which was the Cetaphil Daily Moisturizer with SPF 50+. We had 3 little 5ml tubes and I've used 2 of them. I'm on my 3rd now. I really like this. It's not super moisturizing. I think it's good all year round if you have oily skin. I do have combination skin, so it's quite nice on my T-zone. If you do use it in the summer, you want to keep it for next summer or whatever, then that would be nice, I think, for any skin type. But in the winter, if your skin is anything other than oily, you might want a little bit more moisture. However, it does sink into the skin very nicely. It does leave like a little bit of a white cast to it, I would say, as you massage it in, but at least on my skin tone, once it's massaged in properly, the white cast disappears and it just leaves behind a nice glow. And I find that it works quite well as makeup primer as well for that reason. So I quite enjoy those ones. Then I had the Look Good Feel Better blending sponge. This one, as you wet it or dampen it, it's not as soft as other sponges I've used in the past, but it's still nice, still does the job. Okay, the Bees Brilliance mask, and this one I got from my fiance. He used it a couple of times. I have no feedback from him on that one yet, but he does like the scent, so I guess that's good. Then I had the Mane and Tail leave-in cream, which actually I haven't used yet. I have used up my previous leave-in conditioner, but I realized I actually had another leave-in conditioner, or it's actually a 1-minute conditioner from a collection box that I got a couple of months ago, so I'm using that one first. So I haven't gotten to the Mane and Tail one yet. Then I had 2 products from Naughty. We had the body serum and then the body moisturizer. They're both firming body lotions and body serum. They have no scent, which is good. I do like the body serum more than the body moisturizer because it does seem to sink in a little bit quicker, but they both seem to have the firming effect. It is temporary from what I can tell so far, but they do have a firming effect, temporary or not, and yeah, I do like the body serum better. And then I had the Neal's Yard Remedies Frankincense Essence. It's really nice. The scent is amazing and it's nice to use. You don't need much at all. I haven't noticed much of a difference in my skin, but I haven't used it every single night, just now and again. I do have to make a point in using it more, but well, I got it for the fragrance, and the fragrance of it is just okay. And these are my September picks. This time it came in a plastic bag around it, so there's nothing on the top, but it still came in the style of box that you open. Okay, in September we have another member reward, and it is again the Cetaphil Daily Defense Moisturizer with SPF 50+, so I am quite pleased to get 3 more of these, so that's 15ml right there. And then I have a couple of items from, I think it was the drop from last week in August, because I did my picks before that. And these are Dr. Teal's Epsom Salt Body Scrub. So I am very excited to use this. And the scent of this is eucalyptus and spearmint. And then the other one was the Umberto Giannini 60 Second Smooth pre-shampoo treatment. So you use this before shampooing, wet your hair and avoid the roots. Apply the treatment in sections to the mid-lengths and ends, making sure it is evenly worked through. Leave for 60 seconds, rinse out and follow with your shampoo and conditioning steps. Use once a week or more to prevent breakage and strengthen hair. I'm quite excited to use this. I like that you only have to keep it in your hair for 1 minute before you rinse it out and shampoo your hair as normal. I had other pre-shampoo treatments from other collection boxes in the past, subscription boxes, sorry, and they required you to keep them on for 20 minutes and that's just not feasible for me. So yeah, I'm quite excited to use this. I'm not quite sure when I'm gonna put this video up, but there will be more Umberto Giannini products available in September, so it will either be a drop that's already available or next week's drop. But yeah, there will be more available, I think from the same range to choose, so that's quite exciting. And then the rest of the products are products that have dropped in September, and I'm gonna start with the Hall of Fame, which is this NARS pencil. It's a lip pencil. And I already have the one in Do Me Baby from Latest in Beauty as well, and this one is in Dolce Vita, and this is what it looks like. And I did swatch it because I couldn't help myself before filming this, so it's not gonna look exactly pristine, and which is okay. So I'll give you a little swatch now. That's what it looks like. It looks really good. And then I've chosen this brush from Luxie. This is the Detail Angled Blender brush. That's what it looks like. It looks like a nice brush to either blend concealer or contour, things like that, powder for under the eyes. Also through a subscription box I got another Luxie brush and I quite enjoy it, so I thought I'd try another one. Also got this makeup sanitizing spray from Cinema Secrets. That's because I'm not very good at washing my eye brushes as quickly as I should. So if I can use this and maybe get some of the pigment off from previous shadows, then that would be great. I'm quite curious to see how this works. And you can also spray it on your products, so you know, like your eyeshadow palettes, even cream products they say, so you keep them nice and sanitized, so that's good. And the last item in here is the Florena Fermented Skincare Cleansing Bar. This is made with fermented jasmine and fermented angelica oil. That's what it looks like. And it smells nice and fresh. I had a cleansing bar in the past and I quite enjoyed it, so yeah, I want to try this one too. Okay, so here are all my picks for the month of September. If you do want to know more information about Latest in Beauty, like I said, there will be information in the description box, and there will also be a referral code in there if you like to use it. That would be appreciated, but you don't have to, which will give you 20% off your first subscription box. I hope you will subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, so you can see what I think of this month's picks when it's time to do my October unboxing. Also, make sure you hit the bell so you know when I upload. I do try to upload at least once a week, sometimes even twice a week. But at the minute I don't have a set schedule, so it's best to hit the bell for that reason. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, as it really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!